Hello friends, in this video we will solve a few more practice sums based on congruence of triangle, and we are going to use SAS and ASA congruence. So let's do the first sum. In the adjacent figure, AC is equal to AE, AB is equal to AD, angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, and we have to show that BC is equal to DE. So the given here are AC is equal to AE. So this is equal to this, and AB is equal to AD. AB is equal to AD, and angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, and we are to show BC is equal to DE, BC and DE. So I'm going to take the triangles of which BC and DE are part. So that is triangle ABC and triangle ADE. And we are going to try to show that these two triangles are congruent. Once we show that those two triangles are congruent, then we will be able to show BC is equal to DE by corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So let's see, AB is equal to AD. So we got one side. Then AC is equal to AE. We got second side. So what we need is angle BAC should be equal to angle DAE. So what we need to show is this angle, this complete angle is equal to this complete angle here. Correct? So let's do that. Angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, that is given. So let's call this as 1. Angle BAC is equal to angle BAD plus this small angle DAC, that is adjacent angles. Angle DAE is equal to angle EAC plus angle DAC. Now, if we observe these two, we know BAD is equal to EAC, and we are adding the same angle in both. So these two are equal, and in this we are adding a DAC, in this also we are adding DAC. That means BAC and DAE are equal. So this is one. Given, and this is also given. And from this side, angle, side, using SAS congruence, we can say that since these triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are going to be equal, which gives us and that's what we wanted to prove. Let's go to the next sum. AB is a line segment and P is the midpoint. D and E are points on the same side of AB, such that angle BAD is equal to angle ABE and angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. We have to show that AD is equal to BE. So the given here are angle BAD, this angle is equal to this angle ABE, and angle EPA, which is this angle, is equal to angle DPB. It is this angle. That is given, and we have to show that AD is equal to BE. AD and BE are part of triangles APD and BPE. So we will have to show these two triangles congruent. And if we are able to do that, then we will be able to show AD is equal to BE. And for that, we have this angle equal. We have this side AP equal to PB because P is midpoint. What we need is this angle APD should be equal to BPE, and in that case we'll get angle side angle congruence. So let's do that. Angle APD is equal to angle EPA plus EPD. These two angles give me angle APD because those are adjacent angles. Angle BPE is equal to angle BPD or DPB plus EPD. Now we know that angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. So now here EPA is equal to DPB, and EPA plus EPD, EPA plus EPD. That means these two angles are equal because we are adding equal to equals. We already know that and from these three, angle side angle, using ASA congruence, we can say that triangle APD is congruent with triangle BPE. And because these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are also congruent, and hence we have proved what we wanted. AD is equal to BE. Let's move on to the next sum. In right angle triangle ABC, right angled at C, M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. C is joined to M and produced to point D such that DM is equal to CM. Point D is then joined to point B. We have to show that angle DBC is a right angle and CM is half AB. So what is given? Given is this is equal to this and this is right angle, and also given is this is equal to this. Now from the information which is given here, we can see that these two triangles DMB and CMA, these two triangles are congruent by side angle side. So let's prove that first. Angle CMA is equal to angle DMB. They are vertically opposite angles, and from this we can see that these two triangles are congruent using side angle side congruence. triangles are congruent, that means the corresponding parts are going to be equal, and that gives me BD is equal to AC. We also know angle MCA is equal to angle MDB CPCT. If you see, CD is transversal for BD and AC. We also see that angle MCA and angle MDB are alternate interior angles. And therefore, BD is parallel to AC using converse of alternate interior angles. Now, once we know BD is parallel to AC, that means because these two angles are co-interior angles, but we know angle ACB is 90 degree, and therefore angle DBC also will be 90 degree. So this is what is our first proof. Angle DBC is a right angle. So we have proved that. Now we want to go to next to prove CM is equal to half of AB. So I will be erasing whatever I've written now, but what is important for us to know is these two things: AC is equal to BD and angle DBC is 90 degree. So these two things we will carry forward. This is what we have proved from earlier one. So I'm keeping this here. And now we know BC is a common side. And this gives me this here is equal to this. This is 90 and this is common side. So side, angle, side, side, angle, side. Once the triangles are congruent, we know their corresponding parts are also congruent. That means CD is equal to AB. But we know CD is 2 times CM because CM and DM are equal. So CD is 2 times CM. And solving this, we get CM is half of AB. That is what we wanted to prove.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.